Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva. So they just updated it, so now it has a whole new setup. This bar looks like this, and these bars are over here, these buttons. Okay, so let's get started. First off, Canva has a lot of different things to offer. You can click on social media and they can get you, you can customize Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Facebook stories. Well, this says Instagram stories, but Facebook stories as well, TikTok videos, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube intros. It says, as you can see, it has a lot of things to offer. Basically, basically record a video on TikTok and try to upload it to YouTube, that video is not going to be the right frame size to that platform that you're trying to upload it to. So these actually are very, see, it has it right there at the bottom. These are very helpful for when you're actually trying to be professional for what, sizing and things like that. See, look, Pinterest pin, LinkedIn, things along those lines. For this example, we're going to be using a regular paper size. This is what the setup looks like, basically. So to get started, design, elements, all these things over here. We're going to get started over here with the design, meaning what it says, the design in the background. So I already have a few things right here, but let's click on that. But I typed in pink cute. As you can see, there's a lot of other suggestions you can type in. So once you've picked the background that you liked, mind you, you can literally make this yourself. You can type in sparkles and put in the sparkles. See, this can be moved. All I did was left click and hold to move. So this can be moved as well. You can type in sparkles to add your own sparkles. This notebook text can be moved as well, and these sparkles can be moved as well. Basically, all this is these clouds can be moved as well. Everything is just placed here. This can be made literally by you yourself as well. So if you don't want to do all that, you can type in, these are templates. I'll have the definition of what templates are over here on the side. So see, this one's cute too. And yeah, so these are already made, so you can just design them yourself. So we're just going to go ahead and pick this one. So the next thing, we're going to go to elements right here, this button right here. So this is literally a wide range. Here we have tables. Tables look like that. They can literally be edited. Let's click on one. Let me show you. Okay, so this right here is how you move them. This right here is how you rotate it. Everything. Pretty much everything you click on are going to have these basic things. So this button this right here, the edges can be expanded or pushed in. And you can also click on, for the tables, you can click on a specific box and type in them. Just going to type my name. You could also make them be dotted like so. Wouldn't be able to really see it because I have it white. But yes, you get the idea. So that's the graphs right there. To delete, just delete table and go over here. So that's tables. Charts. Charts can also be adjusted as well. See, these can be put in their own numbers. You can literally adjust everything about these and make them be your own. Okay, now the fun part, graphics. Graphics, you can, that's where these sparkles come from. That's what these are. We're going to go ahead and type in heart. And now all the different heart graphics can pop up and you can choose between the ones that you like. Now, if it has this right here, the Pro, you have to upgrade to the Pro, but there is a lot that don't require the Pro, like this and like so and stuff. Let's click on this one. This is actually really cute. You can lock the position right here like so, and now nothing will be able, this won't be able to move at all. If you move everything, if you move the whole background, everything that you move, that will stay there. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock that. This button right here will duplicate. It'll do exactly what it says. It'll make two, and now you have two sets of hearts. This will delete, and this right here is very important. These three dots right here, very important. So this will copy it. Copy means that it will be copied. So you know when you copy and paste something, you can go right here and paste. Will be right here. Pasting, copy and pasting in Canva. Control C, Control P, and then to cut, Control X. Okay. So then these right here, duplicate. Okay, layers. This is very important. Let's say we want to have this shine in front of the heart. We're going to go ahead and it doesn't really matter which one you click on. Let's click on the heart. And we want it behind the sparkle. We're going to click the three dots, click the layer, and click set behind. And now as you can see, it's behind the sparkle. So if you click on that, you can also achieve this by left clicking on the mouse to achieve this bar. Now if you wanted this heart for some reason to be behind the whole thing, well, not behind the whole thing, but behind whatever it's behind, like literally both things, as you can see, I click behind on both, and now it's behind the cloud as well. The cloud is over as well. Now, if you don't like anything that you just did, we're going to go ahead and click this back button, and it's going to put everything back how it was. You can also insert photos. Once again, type in whatever you'd like. Okay, now let's click on the photo that you want. Okay, we want this photo. So now we're going to go to, frame. Frames, literally, I'm going to show you. We're going to choose right here. We have graphics, which are just frame graphics that you can't put images inside. I'm going to explain that right now. All frames right here. So we're going to click this. They have phone frames to choose from, tablets, shapes. So we're going to do this as an example. We're going to grab the picture, put it inside, and now it's inside. So see, if you go back here, and for these are graphics. This is a graphic frame. For a graphic frame, you can move it like so. This kind of frame, you can move it like so as well. But if I try to put a picture, you can't put a picture inside of the graphic. You can only put a picture inside of the frame. Like I said, the frames will be located right here. So now let's test out a different frame, the iPhone frame. Let's delete this. And we're going to type that cute cat, just as an example. And okay, so with that, if you want to adjust the picture, you double click on it and move it like so. I don't like this picture. I'm going to click delete, delete image or delete frame. I'm going to delete the image inside the frame. I'm going to click and drag this into here, double click, move it over, done. Now we have a little cute cat phone wallpaper. So now going on to the next one. So see here, this came with the edit that we had already. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. This text came with the edit, so we can edit it just by double clicking, backspace, and we're going to put how to use Canva. Make this a little smaller. So, okay. So, I typed in how to use Canva. Let's say they have different text here as well that you can just click on and just type anything that you want. Or you can, this is for add a heading, for a subtitle, or a little one. So we're going to click a little one right here, and what that's going to do is bring that right there. And we're going to go ahead and type something. If I don't like the font, click right here on font. And I always click the seasons. That one's just or this one. This one is just cute. If I don't like the size, increase font size right here. Instead, we're going to put step by step. Step by step. Okay. You can change the text color right here and this is all the color suggestions, the color palette for whatever's in your thing, which is very helpful. So we can make this match. Let's go for, or if you don't like that, we can go ahead and click right here and just choose exactly what you want your, I want to go for like a darker, but still not black. If you would like to make what you typed bold, click right here. Okay, click right here for bold. There, looks like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it bold. This is for like, you know, cursive, but I'm gonna leave it like that. This is for the alignment. This button right here shows you the alignment of whatever text. Be like that, that, or that. This would make it be a list, like bullet list, check button. This will be the spacing between the lines, and this will be the transparency of whatever you're doing. So you can make it be seen or not be seen how much. So see, we can click on this right here in the transparency. You can make it be however you want. Okay, so effects. Click that. It's none. This is the shadow, lift. These are the different effects you can use. You can also make it like that if it was something smaller. But I'm going to go back and stick with the pink, which was the outline. And how I did that, I just clicked on the outline and clicked the color, and you can choose whatever color. Mind you, you can find whatever color you want, add a new color right here. Or you can add a background to it if you want to. next, if you want all this heart, this to stay in place and you want it to move, left hold on the mouse and hover over just what you want to stay in place. And we're going to go ahead and click group. Grouping that makes everything now is one. Now you can move this down here or up or so, wherever you're trying to put it. Now we can click ungroup, and now hold on just a second. Click ungroup, and now everything is back to just one. So let's say I wanted to move everything. I'm going to group. I'm going to left click and hold. Group everything, and we're going to move it down. Right there. Make this bigger. Also use Canva. Make that like that. This right there. Okay. So the next, you have a business. You can add your logos, your business colors, the fonts you would normally use, your brand voice, photos, and everything, and they will be right here for you to use on any project that you're trying to make. Now, uploads. Uploads are the pictures that are already on your screen, already on your computer, that you can use inside of a project as well. So let's click and use this one. This is just a picture of me. So we can crop it like that. And we can click edit right here. And that's going to allow you to do, mind you, this is going to only be with the Pro, but you can still do, edit the picture as well. So you can take the background out. So we'll put her right there. You can also erase. Like so. And there's a lot of different filters that you can apply to it. You can adjust it with the brightness, the shadows, and much more. So what I'm going to do with this picture, I'm going to go on the transparency, and we're going to make it be like 50%. And we're going to make that be like right there. We're going to put this like right here, move this over. Duplicate right here, duplicate. And also right here, flip. That's how you flip it. I want to bring this forward, make sure it's in front of everything. Draw, if you are a good artist and stuff, you can click the different markers and draw. And that is it. Basic steps on how to use Canva. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more content like this, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.